Hello, this is a video from the Library Information Systems Department to introduce you to the services of the Spiva Library. We will start by exploring the library homepage. This is your portal to all library services. You can get there by Googling the Spiva Library or by going to the MSSU homepage and clicking on Academics, then Library. At the top of the library homepage, you will find our daily hours. Our hours change depending on the day of the week, so it's important to check this before coming to the library. Below the library hours are the study room availability hours. Study rooms close 1 hour before the library closes, so they can be cleaned and sanitized for your safety. To the right of the page on the desktop view, you will find the contact card for the library. There you will find library contact information as well as an appointment schedule for reference services. You will also see the Chat with a Librarian button where you can get real-time help from someone in the department. Under the hours, you will find the library search box. The search box has 4 tabs. The Full Search tab allows you to search for content across a variety of the library's resources. You can use it to find books, articles, and more. You can also use the A to Z database list to browse all of our academic databases. You can also find off-campus searching to access our databases from home. The Journal Search tab allows you to search our collection of academic journals and periodicals. You will also find a journal by subject button, which allows you to further narrow down your search topics. The Books/Media Search tab allows you to search our catalog and library sharing network, Mobius, for books, audiobooks, films, ebooks, and more.
Perfect.
The last tab is Research and Course Guides. This tab allows you to search our collection of guides created by librarians to help make research and using the library easier. Here, you can also find our library collection list. Here you find brief introductions to all the collections in our library. Right below the search box is where you will find our announcements panel, so you can know what's going on in the library. Below the announcements panel, you can find helpful links to questions you may have about managing your library account, reserving a study room, printing, overdrive, and contacting the library. Below helpful links, you can find additional information about our services and collections, as well as a library calendar and information on current exhibits that may be happening. And lastly, at the very bottom of the page, you can find a carousel of new library materials, as well as links to our social media outlets, so you can always stay up to date.